Hey guys, my name's Charlie. I'm here with Mode Distributing at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center. I'm here to talk to you guys today about ILVE. ILVE being a brand that is hand-built out of Venice, Italy. It's shipped in a crate and brought over to you guys by us. We are actually the importer for the brand. You'll notice that this guy here happens to be in our graphite finish, and you have the ability to do just about any RAL color with the brand. We have 5 distinct finishes, not limited to, but brass, copper. We also offer stainless steel and a couple others. Neat thing about this particular range is you'll notice we offer a dual ring brass burner. So although it does seem like it is cast iron, it is indeed brass. We like to ensure that these guys will keep looking good and performing good for the longevity of the range, and brass over a period of time just happen to change color, especially as you heat it and cool it. These guys are not new to the industry. So they've been building ranges since 1952. In Italy to be exact, and specializing with restaurant equipment. People liked the ranges so much and they had such a passion for food that they started creating these for the residential space. If you'd like to hear a little bit more about ILVE, please come visit Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center here in Torrance, Studio City, Calabasas, Santa Clarita, and Costa Mesa.